Hey everyone, are you tired of your Hotmail inbox being a total mess? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Hotmail inbox in under 5 minutes so you can stay organized, focused, and stress-free. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and search for Outlook login or go straight to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. Click on sign in, enter your email and password, and if you have two-step verification enabled, complete that too. Once you're in, you're ready to tackle your inbox. Next, head over to your inbox on the Outlook homepage. At the top of your email list, you'll see the filter button. Click it to sort your emails by unread, flagged, or by date. This helps you see the important emails first and makes the cleaning process much faster. Now comes the fun part. Cleaning. Start by archiving emails you want to keep for future reference. Then, delete unnecessary messages to reduce clutter. Work through your filtered emails one by one and take quick action on each. This approach prevents overwhelm and keeps your inbox manageable. Finally, look for recurring newsletters or promotional emails that you no longer need. Open one, scroll to the bottom, and click the unsubscribe link. This stops these emails from piling up in the future and keeps your inbox cleaner for longer. And there you have it. A simple, fast way to clean up your Hotmail inbox and stay organized. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and drop a comment if you have your own inbox cleaning tricks.